The chakra system is the kind of thing that seems really abstract, but once you start to understand it, you see it everywhere.
The chakra system is a lifestyle. It's a map that allows us to navigate through our source, a language to express ourselves. It's a tools that help us to understand the people around and improve our relationship. It's a magic formula to decode this reality.
Because it's been so influential in our lives, we've created this program to share with you everything we know about the chakras.
So you can use this system to improve your life, raise your vibration, and create harmony in the world around you.
Welcome to our journey through the chakras.
We designed this course in 4 levels, so you will have the chance to experience the different layers of the chakra system.
In the first level, foundation, we will plant the seeds for the chakras at the physical level, and you will learn how to use your body as a technology for transformation.
Together, we will experience 6 different styles of yoga to attune with the unique energy of each chakra. With the posture of the body, asana, mudra, we will create a resonance with the element of nature.
You will also receive an assortment of activities and actions to balance the chakras that you can use throughout your daily routine to turn every day into a spiritual practice.
Our aim is to give you a solid foundation to the chakra system, a deep understanding of the body, and all the tools that you require to kickstart your evolution in the right direction.
So if you're curious to experience different styles of yoga, to develop a greater connection with your body, and to learn how to deepen your spiritual practice both on and off of the mat, then this is the course for you.
My name is Clelia.
And I'm Andrew.
And we are happy to welcome you to Refeel Yoga to start together our journey to the chakra.
Beautiful. See you on the mat.